Friends, good afternoon. This is another fresh day, another new day which we have brought for you, and you will really enjoy today's day. Today we have got the Rajasthani menu, and it has got a number of items which will bring sufficient water into your mouth. Today's date is 13th of August 2025, and the day which is really very much great for us because we have got a little more number of students today. That's a good thing, good indication towards the development. In the menu of today, we have included Safed Mas. This is just the other version of the Lal Mas, which was made in the red gravy. But in this, we have prepared the white gravy. That mutton pieces have been dipped and cooked in the white gravy. That will give you a totally different look. After that, we have got Dal Bati Churma, which is the iconic dish from the state of Rajasthan, and the combination is so nice between Dal Bati and Churma. You cannot leave one item by leaving another one or picking another one. One item is very much indebted into the another one, imbibed into another one. And if you have dal, you have to have the bati. If you have bati, then you have to remember for the quality of the churma. And the churma, when we talk about churma, definitely we have got another sweet item that is called churma laddu. So friends, I think mouth is watering very much. You can say that the saliva secretion will automatically take place because food is such a thing. Do you want to make such kind of food? Yes. You have to come to Aisha Gwalior. The admission is open for the session 2025-26. Now I'm Bankim Jordan, head of the department, and the QTK in charge. I will have a small session on this. I would like to request the cameraman to have a coverage with a close-up of the dishes. We have got the salad. The salad has been very beautifully made, and you can see the design. The design is of that of a floral, and it gives you a totally different look. After that, we have got Safed Mas. Safed Mas, it will give you the sensation as if everything is white, and the gravy, it's off-white. The container which has been used for preserving the Safed Mas, that is also white. So it gives you a very clear conception that white color is a cooling color. It cools the mind and heart of everybody. Next, very fast I will go through the dishes. We have got the Rajasthani Dal, which has got a lot of involvement of ghee, lot of involvement of spices, and this dal is made by using Adhad dal. Then we have got churma. Friends, churma is the thing which is the grounded version of bati. Cameraman, just have a coverage from the top, the churma, and the bati on the left hand side. And bati, you will have the round shapes of the balls which has been cooked in the oven. If you break it, you will have a different texture inside it, and it's really very much tasteful. After that, we have got gawar ki fali. It's a bean which is called cluster bean, and it's very good for the roughage formation in the body. Slowly I will tell the supervisor to go to each and everything, and the two items are remaining. We have got ghevar, you can say. Mr. Brijmohan Gabrani ji has directed the students to prepare the ghevar. You see how nicely the ghevar has been prepared. The credit goes to the entire batch, and they have shown their skill into it. They have made it and they have arranged it from the top by using rabdi. After that, we have got another mouth-watering dish, that is churma laddu, the churma balls which are soaked in ghee and sugar syrup. Now, I would like to request the supervisor, Ms. Muskan Kushwa. She's a very gentle girl, and she knows how to do the work. Muskan, you take over the scene and present the things on your behalf.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Muskan Kushwa. I am from Morena. The third semester BSc IIM ग्वालियर. आज हम लोगों ने राजस्थानी मेन्यू प्रिपेयर किया. Me and my friends to take this salad prepared by the Nitish Kumar Shah.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Nitish Kumar Shah. I am currently pursuing third semester BSc SHA program from IIM Gwalior. Today we have prepared green salad. First of all, cucumber is cut in a round shape, and carrot is a well perfect cut, and tomatoes is round shape, and onion is round shape, and lemon is very good decoration.
Supervisor, make some comment on the salad. What is your opinion regarding the beauty of the salad?
It look look is very nice. Look is very nice and very carefully like it. So next to prepare some white mass and prepare Navya and Mridul.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mridul Tomar, pursuing BSc HHA program from IHM Gwalior, 3rd semester. Today, me and my friends have prepared Safed Murg, and me and Navya prepared this. And it is prepared by first marinating mutton with some spices and curd, and then by preparing mixture of cashew, khaskhas, and onion, and then making the gravy, and then putting the boiled mutton in it, and then the Safed mutton is prepared.
You can also see a texture of Safed mass, and next we taste.
Feel the taste, feel the spices.
I can have the taste of cashew very much, and the onion in the mixture is very nice. Like it is going inside mouth and just going in my stomach, and very nicely prepared. And the aroma is also good, and it is very good.
Are you having the sensation of the mutton stock into it?
Yes, sir. I'm having a sensation.
Is the mutton properly cooked?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So friends, you have seen Safed mass, which was very difficult to make in this city because the mutton, it becomes very tight. Even if we give like 8 to 10 cities in the pressure cooker, then also it remains tight. But I'm not going into its technical faults, but still, it may be our faults. We have to rectify it. So today the dish has been prepared very nicely. After that we have got dal.
Dal baat.
Dal bati.
Dal bati prepared with ram and
My name is Ram Kirat. Today I have Rajasthani menu. So today I made the dal, chana dal, moong dal, and the arahar dal. So the dal is mixed, boiling, and make the tadka. And
Please give your feedback. Taste it. So please.
So at least 2-3 persons taste the dal, because until and unless you taste the dal, the changes in the taste will not be there. Give me some also. I will also taste.
As it's very good, and it is spicy.
It's spicy. Texture is good. I like the dal very much because it's not overdone, it's not underdone. That has been exactly done, and the quantity of the salt is very good, perfect. The other spices also very good, and anybody, I can give you the guarantee that if anybody consumes this dal with rice and roti, they will really enjoy it. It's perfect. Next item, please.
Bhati. Good afternoon, viewers. Bhati is made from mixed flour like semolina, gram flour, and wheat flour. In Bhati, we use ajwain and ghee also, and prepare a dough. After then, we round in a round shape bhati, and we bake it in oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
I would call to supervisor to taste it.
Supervisor, you can taste and pass your comment.
And Ram give it to us.
Is it very hard?
it is very nice and very soft and its flavor is salt.
Ram Kebert, you pass your comment.
taste of ghee and properly cooked.
Okay. Then we will come to the next item, Gawar ki Fali.
Gawar ki fali, prepared by Ravindra.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Raghavan Singh Varoria. Today me and my friends are prepared in Gawar ki Fali. The also name was cluster beans, and see this garnishing are very good and like veg in lemon are also very good.
Is it a vegetarian dish?
Yes sir.
Okay. So what is the use of Gawar ki Fali or Gwar ki Fali? It is a very good source of roughage. It's a very good source of other nutrients also. You please taste some and give it to some other persons also. Pass your comments regarding the spices, regarding the dryness, regarding the salt. What is your opinion?
Salt is perfect and it is also spicy in taste.
Okay. Is it advisable to have this dish with the roti?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, if it is had with the dish, this dish is had with the roti, then you have to supply the dal also because it's dry.
Gravy, yes,
And
gravy.
by dipping the roti in the dal, they can enjoy with this particular preparation. After that, we have got the most mouth-watering dish, that is ghevar. So, who has made it? Please give your ideas.
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Naina Rajput. So today we prepared Rajasthani menu in which me and my friend Pratham prepared ghevar. So ghevar is a very mouth-watering dish, which is a very traditional dessert eat at the time of Raksha Bandhan or Teej like festivals. And the shape, when we talk about the shape of the ghevar, it's a rounded disc shape, and the texture of the ghevar is honeycomb texture. And the ingredients we use to make ghevar, we use ghee, maida and sugar syrup, and we garnish with the rabdi and some dry fruits and like rose petals also.
Somebody please break a little portion and give it to your friends, because you have prepared it. You should know regarding the taste of it.
So
Give
please
your,
have it,
friend
sir.
on the right hand side, on the left hand side, give
So
a little
please
portion.
have it.
Very little portion I will have, and give it to others also. I think the texture is good and it has been deep fried properly, but initially there was some problem. The maker of the dish, Naina, please pass your comment.
We face some problems and difficulties during we cook ghevar. We have no mold where we prepared ghevar into, and the oil is very passing their oil so much. That's why
Okay.
we face
Please
some problems.
taste it and pass your comment. How is it made? How does the taste give you the sensation?
It tastes very good. The sweetness of rabdi and sugar syrup is filtering the mouth, and the garnish also see in the mouth, and the the ghevar is sometimes hard.
Okay, nice
Because
saying.
it is freshly prepared, that's why.
Excellent. Then the last item we have got churma laddu. Anybody please?
Good afternoon, friends. My name is Malvisha Khan. I prepared चूरमे के लड्डू. राजस्थान की फेमस डिश है. आप देखो बिल्कुल गोल हैं. सर प्लीज.
You can
Please
break
have
it
it.
and give it to your friends.
Yes, sir.
Pass your comments, because the chef must know how does it taste. Give me some at my hand also. Everybody will taste it.
The chutney is perfect, and the shape is also good. And dry fruits also come in the.
The binding of laddu is also good. The broken, when we broke the laddu, there is not
Spreading.
Which kind of binding agent you have used?
Ghee and sugar
Hot
syrup.
ghee. It's hot ghee.
Hot.
And also the sugar or the jaggery, whichever is there, that will also give the binding effect. So friend, that was the episode of today. That is 13th of August 2025, and we have really enjoyed it. The more you do, the more you know, the more you learn. If you do not do, you never know, you never learn. So these dishes which you have seen, these are the iconic dishes of Rajasthan. These are the most signature dishes of Rajasthan, and you have to give you a lot of skill. And before attaining the skill, acquiring the skill, you have to gain the knowledge. Then only you will be able to convert the knowledge into the skill through practice, practice and practice. You know, at the time of making the laddu, anybody will tell you that laddu making is not very much tough. But the moment you try to make this Rajasthani laddu, Gund ki laddu or churma laddu, you will face the problem because the ghee is so hot. If you try to make the ball, your palm will start burning. During that time, you have to place it inside the cold water for a few seconds. Then you have to take it out. Then very fast you have to do it. Otherwise, what will happen? Once the binding effect is lost in the churma, again you have to add additional ghee. But in that particular thing, what will happen? The additional ghee will increase the total quantity of the ghee in the actual quantity of the churma. Again, that will affect the recipe. That will become a defective recipe, and the food item will not be proper. So that is why whenever you get some time, you get some direction, you have to do on that particular moment only. Otherwise, you will never get that desired result. So friends, now we will close this episode. I would like to request my supervisor to come this side. The student supervisor, you please come here. And on her behalf, I will tell all the students of the class 11th and class 12th, that those who have completed their 12th standard course, they can join the hotel management, and anytime you can come to IHM Gwalior. See, every day we are preparing a video with the new dishes, just to attract your vision, to attract your mind and heart, so that we can teach you something. Because anyhow, we have to grow, and the sky is the limit for the ultimate growth. And the more you grow, the more you learn, the more you can give. So friends, on this very auspicious day, because every day is auspicious for us, we are simply worshipping Mata Annapurna through the food preparation and offering it to our friends. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay nice, stay jolly, stay blessed. Thank you.